Well, hello there, you lonely bitch. Why, you haven't been able to get a date since ever, and you're still a fucking virgin at the ripe old age of you shouldn't be a virgin anymore, you lame piece of shit. But don't worry, cause we have the solution to your love problems. Meet Jackhammer, professional male escort to the stars. And all-around sexy bitch.
Well, hello there, and yes, it really is me, Jack Hammer, professional male escort of Hammer Time Industries. And it is a pleasure to meet my acquaintance. But I know you didn't come here to see this, as lovely as it is. No, you are a person of tastes. You can see that. And you came here because you wanted the main dish. Oh, don't be scared. The first time's free. But while we're on the subject of price, my rates are insanely competitive. Why, simple earth shatterer will only cost you $800. And I know what you're thinking. Hammer, you are absolutely crazy to sell yourself for that cheap. That's 'cause I know you'll be back. So what are you waiting for? Oh, you want to see an example of my skill? Well, I'll forgive you for doubting me this time. And that's just the foreplay. So what are you waiting for? The solution to all your love problems is just one phone call away. I'm waiting for you. Ring, ring. I'll give you an earth-shattering orgasm. I guaranteed it.
Call now and use the code below for a special limited time offer.
Ciao.